In this lesson, we're going to take a look at installing plugins in Firefox. Now, plugins are similar in Firefox as they are to Chrome, and in fact, several plugins actually cross over and work in Firefox as well as Chrome. The architecture, though, for plugins is very different in Firefox. When you're developing an application or a plugin within Firefox, you have access to a much wider range of components within the browser itself, as well as potentially the operating system, which makes Firefox a pretty good tool for doing web application testing. Now, in order to install the plugins within Firefox, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Tools menu, and I'm going to go to Add-ons. I'm doing this under Mac OS, but frankly, Firefox is Firefox. It's going to work pretty much in the same way across the different platforms that it runs on, whether it's Mac OS, whether it's Windows, whether it's Linux. So you can see I actually have a fairly extensive list of add-ons here. And this right here is the list of add-ons that I have installed in my copy of Firefox. And if you happen to be running on a system that has multiple users, typically Firefox will install the plugin on a per user basis as opposed to system-wide. In this particular user instance, I actually have a separate user installed on this particular operating system, and I would get a different set of add-ons in Firefox when I launched it there. Because, of course, as I said, the add-ons get installed on a per-user basis. Now, in order to get add-ons, I'm just going to go to Get Add-ons here, and it's going to pull up a page that has been copied over from Mozilla.org, and we've got all of the plugins that are available for Firefox. So what I want to do is search all add-ons. We'll do the same sort of thing that we did before. Just going to search for security, and it's going to go looking for available add-ons. So you can see here we've got search engine security, we've got caffeine security, make your Firefox browser more secure, got secure login, and we've got a number of available add-ons. You can see here the difference between my add-ons and available add-ons. You may want to only search my add-ons. And in this case, these are two add-ons that actually match this particular criteria that are from add-ons that are installed on my machine. I'm going to go back to available add-ons. Now to install, what I would do would be to just click install. It's going to download. And once it does the download, it's going to do the installation. And with some plugins, what you actually have to do is you have to restart the browser for it to be able to work. And it will let you know, it will do a little pop-up similar to this and say, in order to complete installation, we've got to restart your browser. So now I've got Webutation installed, and we could go back here and do some more searching. And we're going to go look for available add-ons. Here we've got NoScript, we've got FB Phishing Protector, Secure Login again, which is what we had before, and Karma Blocker. So these are the different available add-ons based on this, and that's just based on that particular set of criteria there. Now I could go back to Get Add-ons, and I could do some browsing around here and take a look at featured add-ons. I could go over here to see all. It's going to bring me to a web page at mozilla.org. And now we could actually do some browsing within categories if we wanted to do that. So that's how you would go about looking for add-ons for Firefox and how you would go about installing them. And again, if you want to go back and take a look at what you've got, you go to the Add-ons Manager here, and you get to that from the Tools menu. And now I'm just going to go to Extensions. It's going to show me all of the plugins that I've actually got installed in the browser for this particular user.